We are here outside of Clinton Elementary School to really begin to look at and assess the progress of the capital improvement work taking place. New flooring, new ceiling, you'll see new hand railings for safety, elevator work, installation. It's on schedule. It's going to really be nice, convenient, accessible for all of our family students who attend Clinton Elementary School. Our students deserve to walk in 21st century school buildings. Upon entrance to our middle school, you will see brand new asphalt, walkways, parking areas. Our pool area has been completely upgraded with new lighting, color coordination, new tile on the walls, new LED lighting. You will notice right away a difference when you walk through our pool area. In the auditorium, renovations are well on their way. Beautiful upgrades, stage flooring, carpet, seating, acoustics. Our students here at the middle school are going to walk into a brand new auditorium for the 26-27 school year. I'm standing outside Poughkeepsie High School. What we see taking place right now is milling in preparation for new asphalt. You will notice this is the main entrance of our high school. There will be new flooring, new lighting. Once you return in September, you will see a difference because it will be brighter, safer, and more beautiful. So we are proud to be a pioneer. We're thankful for the work that's being done, and we look forward to receiving and welcoming all of our students, faculty, and staff back for the 26-27 school year.